9:30 a.m. Maharashtra polling percentage has been not very good. It's 6.6%. So not even touching 10% till about 9:30 a.m. Akshay Kumar cast his vote. So did Sachin Tendulkar. Big netas from the Pawar family, from BJP. So many have exercised their responsibility, their franchise to come cast the vote. But 6.6%. Just to give you a background, of course, likely it may pick up through the day. But it's also a weekday, remember. Usually early morning and evening is when people do come and then they go on and about their work. But is it going to pick up? 60% was 2019. Mumbai city was about 50%. 6.6 right now in Maharashtra till 9 a.m. So not the best right now, but you're looking at how at least it's picking up. Senior citizens definitely could be seen in every polling booth that we are going to, and our colleagues are reporting from. Abhijit, I bring you in here. So while, for example, at your booth, I could still see a long queue, but it's still 6.6%.
Yeah, number is not good. As we can see, the senior citizens are more interested in cast their vote in early hours, but youth's enthusiasm is low in compared to the old age people or the mid-aged people. As we are expecting that the number will rise after the 12 p.m. Because as we have seen in 2019 and 2014 also, Maharashtra has recorded at least 50 to 60% voting, not more than that. If the voting percentage will rise or the increase in this election, that would be the major challenge before the BJP and the other parties also. Because this is a do and die situation for all parties, and all booth workers are working together to increase the polling percentage. So we can see this is the Vile Parle constituency where BJP's, we can see this is the BJP's bastion, and Parag Alavani is the sitting MLA, and the whole BJP workers and their polling agents also trying to get their whole people or the senior citizens, mid-aged people to
Abhijit, quickly
get
tell
to the
me, did you see that it's a seamless arrangement procedure that has been made? Because there were people who said last time it wasn't the best, but this time it looks fairly better. There are different queues for senior citizens?
Yeah. There are different queues for the senior citizens. There are arrangements of wheelchairs also. There are police personnel are also helping senior citizens to cast their votes smoothly, and better preparations also done by the election commission also. In 2024 Lok Sabha elections, there were huge queues we had seen,
yes,
and because of that the people had to wait for more than 2 hours in the queues. But this time we can see
plus
that
it was
10 to 15
hot
minutes,
and a humid time, arrival of summer season. Go ahead, Abhijit, if you can get in a word or two from those who have got their finger inked, and what do they have to say without, of course, revealing who they voted for.
टाइम नहीं लग रहा है और क्योंकि 7-8 रूम्स है ना, तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके मेरे ख्याल से एक बूथ पे 800 या 1000 लोग होंगे, तो उनके लिए सुविधा हो रही है। उसके लिए
कितने समय में वोटिंग हुआ आपका?
तो 15 मिनट में हो गया पूरा।
15 मिनट में हो गया। आणि
like another VIP figure has arrived. Do keep us updated on that, Abhijit. It's Mumbai city after all. It's the financial capital, the film industry hub. So, of course, apart from leaders, there are a lot of familiar faces. But on a day like this, remember, while it's good, in fact, I would say it's great that some of these biggest influencing figures have come early morning to cast their vote. All right, that's Vinod Tawde, caught in the controversy.
So we can see that Vinod Tawde is at the Sathe college to cast his vote, and he is saying that I'll just first cast my vote and then I'll speak to all media persons about the drama happened yesterday.
Hey, Abhijit, Clearly, all the cameras rolling, not just for the film stars this morning, but those who've been in controversy in the last few hours as well. While Vinod Tare, of course, is the senior leader of the BJP, General Secretary, but it was the whole cash for votes allegation and the drama we saw unfold on camera, for which, for now, he doesn't have much to say. He says, let me cast my vote. Zoya Akhtar, director, her brother, actor-director Farhan Akhtar, and film star Akshay Kumar early this morning, known for his morning routine, a disciplined lifestyle, ensured that he was seen early morning to cast his vote. There were other actors as well, Rajkumar Rao, director Kabir Khan of Ekta Tiger, Tiger Zinda Hai. Remember, these are the biggest influencers. The younger generation, in fact, for many spanning different generations, if these individuals come out to show an inked finger, it sends out a good message, an important message to cast your vote and to exercise your responsibility. So, of course, there are leaders who have personal and professional stakes, but for stars like that, it is being a good role model on this day. But, of course, remember, when you stand in a queue, you're not a VVIP. You are eventually an Indian citizen who has been given a duty, a responsibility, and an option to stay up with the democracy that the world is also watching. About how India, with the kind of population, geography, terrain, manages these massive elections, whether it's Lok Sabha or every few months, the state assembly polls. Peaceful, free and fair, transparent for one and all. Abhijit Karande continues to be with us. So, Abhijit, you're at an important location. We'll see if Vinod Tare has anything to say after. Vidya is also joining me. More and more colleagues coming in after they get in voices. Vidya, if you can hear me. 6.6% is not the best turnout, and I hope that it improves. But do you think that it's likely going to pick up? Because it's usually early morning. That can be a good start, and then it comes to evening. It's a weekday. People have to go to their office and other destinations. What do you make of 6.6%?
Well, Pooja, in fact, it is not a very encouraging figure. But if I can tell you, Mumbai, I'm in the South Mumbai region, and South Mumbai is a place which generally has shown apathy towards voting. We have not seen a very good turnout in the last many years. 50% was an average that we used to see in Mumbai. And South Mumbai especially, if I can just tell you, we just got the figures for South Mumbai right now. Worli, where Milind Deora is contesting against Aditya Thackeray, there only about 6.7% of voting has happened in the last 2 hours.